What is the refractive index of medium B relative to A if light passes from medium A to B? Option 1, greater than unity, option 2, less than unity, option 3, equal to unity, option 4, 0. The answer is, option 2, less than unity. Which object could be inside a box if light beams incident through holes A and B emerge through C and D? Option 1, rectangular glass slab, option 2, convex lens, option 3, concave lens, option 4, prism. The answer is, option 1, rectangular glass slab. Which object could be inside a box if light incident through holes A and B emerges through hole B? Option 1, concave lens, option 2, rectangular glass slab, option 3, prism, option 4, convex lens. The answer is, option 4, convex lens. Which statement is true about the diopter power of a lens? Option 1, convex lens with 4 diopters, focal length 0.25 m, option 2, convex lens with 4 diopters, focal length 25 cm, option 3, concave lens with -4 diopters, focal length 0.25 m, option 4, concave lens with -4 diopters, focal length 25 cm. The answer is, option 3, concave lens with -4 diopters, focal length 0.25 m. What happens to the path of light when it strikes the surface of a concave mirror at a 45 degrees angle? Option 1, reflected at 45 degrees, option 2, reflected at 90 degrees, option 3, passes through focus, option 4, becomes parallel to the principal axis. The answer is, option 1, reflected at 45 degrees. Which type of mirror is used for rear view in vehicles? Option 1, concave mirror, option 2, plane mirror, option 3, convex mirror, option 4, combination of convex and concave mirrors. The answer is, option 3, convex mirror. Which statement is true about the image formed by a plane mirror? Option 1, it is always real, option 2, it is always inverted, option 3, it is always virtual, option 4, it is always enlarged. The answer is, option 3, it is always virtual. How does the image in a convex lens change when the object moves closer to the lens? Option 1, image size decreases, option 2, image size increases, option 3, image becomes inverted, option 4, image becomes real. The answer is, option 2, image size increases. What happens to the angle of refraction when light passes from water to air? Option 1, increases, option 2, decreases, option 3, remains the same, option 4, becomes 0. The answer is, option 1, increases. What type of lens is used in cameras? Option 1, convex lens, option 2, concave lens, option 3, cylindrical lens, option 4, combination of lenses. The answer is, option 1, convex lens. What happens to the light ray when it passes through the optical center of a convex lens? Option 1, it bends towards the normal, option 2, it bends away from the normal, option 3, it passes undeviated, option 4, it converges. The answer is, option 3, it passes undeviated. What is the power of a lens with a focal length of 50 cm? Option 1, plus 2D, option 2, plus 0.5D, option 3, minus 2D, option 4, minus 0.5D. The answer is, option 1, plus 2D. What is the effect of using a diverging lens with a negative focal length? Option 1, forms real, erect images, option 2, forms real, inverted images, option 3, forms virtual, erect images, Option 4, forms virtual, inverted images. The answer is, option 3, forms virtual, erect images. What happens to the light ray when it strikes the center of curvature of a concave mirror? Option 1, it passes through the focus. Option 2, it reflects back on its path. Option 3, it bends towards the mirror. Option 4, it bends away from the mirror. The answer is, option 2, it reflects back on its path. Which statement is true about the image formed by a convex mirror? Option 1, it is always real. Option 2, it is always inverted. Option 3, it is always diminished. Option 4, it is always enlarged. The answer is, option 3, it is always diminished. What happens to the image when an object is placed at the focus of a concave mirror? Option 1, image is formed at infinity. Option 2, image is virtual. Option 3, image is formed at the same point. Option 4, image is formed between focus and center of curvature. The answer is, option 1, image is formed at infinity. What happens to the focal length of a convex lens if the medium surrounding it changes from air to water? Option 1, increases. Option 2, decreases. Option 3, remains the same. Option 4, becomes 0. The answer is, option 1, increases. Which type of lens can form both real and virtual images? Option 1, concave lens. Option 2, convex lens. Option 3, cylindrical lens. Option 4, plano-convex lens. The answer is, option 2, convex lens. What is the radius of curvature for a plane mirror? Option 1, infinite. Option 2, 0. Option 3, equal to the focal length. Option 4, equal to twice the focal length. The answer is, option 1, infinite. What happens to the image when an object is moved away from a convex lens? Option 1, image size decreases. Option 2, image size increases. Option 3, image becomes virtual. Option 4, image becomes real. The answer is, option 1, image size decreases. Which statement is true about the focal length of a plane mirror? Option 1, it is infinite. Option 2, it is 0. Option 3, it is positive. Option 4, it is negative. The answer is, option 1, it is infinite. What is the effect of using a convex lens with a positive focal length? Option 1, forms virtual, erect images. Option 2, forms real, inverted images. Option 3, forms real, erect images. Option 4, forms virtual, inverted images. The answer is, option 2, forms real, inverted images. Which mirror can form an enlarged, virtual image? Option 1, plane mirror. Option 2, convex mirror. Option 3, concave mirror. Option 4, combination of convex and concave mirrors. The answer is, option 3, concave mirror. What happens to the light ray when it strikes the principal axis of a concave mirror? Option 1, it passes through the focus. Option 2, it reflects back on its path. Option 3, it bends towards the mirror. Option 4, it bends away from the mirror. The answer is, option 1, it passes through the focus. What is the magnification of an image formed by a convex lens when the object is placed at 2f? Option 1, m equals 1. Option 2, m greater than 1. Option 3, m less than 1. Option 4, m equals 0. The answer is, option 1, m equals 1. What happens to the focal length of a concave lens if the medium surrounding it changes from water to air? Option 1, increases. Option 2, decreases. Option 3, remains the same. Option 4, becomes 0. The answer is, option 2, decreases. What is the splitting of white light into a band of 7 colors known as? Option 1, reflection, option 2, dispersion, option 3, refraction, option 4, scattering. The answer is, option 2, dispersion. Why does the sky appear blue in color? Option 1, reflection, option 2, dispersion, option 3, refraction, option 4, scattering. The answer is, option 4, scattering. When do the focal length of the eye lens increase? Option 1, when the eye muscles are relaxed and lens becomes thinner, option 2, when the eye muscles contract and lens becomes thicker, option 3, when the eye muscles are relaxed and lens becomes thicker, option 4, when the eye muscles contract and lens becomes thinner. The answer is, option 1, when the eye muscles are relaxed and lens becomes thinner. What happens to the speed of light when white light propagates through air? Option 1, red light moves fastest, option 2, blue light moves fastest, option 3, all the colors of the white light move with the same speed, option 4, yellow light moves with the mean speed as that of the red and violet light. The answer is, option 3, all the colors of the white light move with the same speed. What is the least distance of distinct vision for a normal eye? Option 1, 2.5 centimeters, option 2, 25 centimeters, option 3, 2.5 m, option 4, 25 m. The answer is, option 2, 25 centimeters. How is the sensation of vision in the retina carried to the brain? Option 1, by ciliary muscles, option 2, by cornea, option 3, by pupil, option 4, by optic nerve. The answer is, option 4, by optic nerve. Where are the rays from infinity brought to focus in a myopic eye? Option 1, in front of the retina, option 2, on the retina, option 3, behind the retina, option 4, on the eye lens. The answer is, option 1, in front of the retina. What causes the change in focal length of an eye lens? Option 1, cornea, option 2, ciliary muscles, option 3, pupil, option 4, optic nerve. The answer is, option 2, ciliary muscles. Where does the human eye form the image of an object? Option 1, cornea, option 2, iris, option 3, pupil, option 4, retina. The answer is, option 4, retina. Why does myopia occur? Option 1, due to an increase in the focal length of the eye lens, option 2, due to contraction of the eyeball, option 3, due to a decrease in focal length of the eye lens, option 4, due to a decrease in distance between the retina and the eye lens. The answer is, option 3, due to a decrease in focal length of the eye lens. What does the term accommodation as applied to the eye refer to? Option 1, control of the light intensity falling on the retina, option 2, erection of the inverted image formed on the retina, option 3, adjustment of the focal length of the lens, option 4, variation in the distance between the lens and retina. The answer is, option 3, adjustment of the focal length of the lens. How do eyes adjust to focus the image of near or distant objects on the retina? Option 1, the lens moves in or out according to the position of the object, option 2, the retina moves in or out according to the position of the object, option 3, the lens becomes thicker or thinner according to the position of the object, option 4, the pupil gets larger or smaller according to the position of the object. The answer is, option 3, the lens becomes thicker or thinner according to the position of the object. What is the defect of vision called when a person cannot see distant objects clearly? Option 1, cataract, option 2, hypermetropia, option 3, myopia, option 4, presbyopia? The answer is, option 3, myopia. What defect of vision does a person with the following prescription have? Left eye, -3D, right eye, -3.50D. Option 1, presbyopia, option 2, myopia, option 3, astigmatism, option 4, hypermetropia. The answer is, option 2, myopia. What happens to the near point of vision when a man finds it difficult to read close objects? Option 1, the near point of his eyes has receded away. Option 2, the near point of his eyes has come closer to him. Option 3, the far point of his eyes has receded away. Option 4, the far point of his eyes has come closer to him. The answer is, option 1, the near point of his eyes has receded away. What is the approximate field of view with both eyes open? Option 1, 90 degrees, option 2, 150 degrees, option 3, 180 degrees, option 4, 360 degrees. The answer is, option 3, 180 degrees. Which color of light deviates the least when a beam of white light falls on a glass prism? Option 1, violet, option 2, red, option 3, green, option 4, blue. The answer is, option 2, red. Why do stars appear shifted from their actual position? Option 1, due to diffraction of light, option 2, due to scattering of light, option 3, due to refraction of light, option 4, due to reflection of light. The answer is, option 3, due to refraction of light. Why is the sky blue? Option 1, due to the reflection of light, option 2, due to the refraction of light, option 3, due to the dispersion of light, option 4, due to the scattering of light. The answer is, option 4, due to the scattering of light. What is true about astigmatism and rainbow? Option 1, both A and B are true statements, option 2, both A and B are false statements. Option 3, A is true while B is false. Option 4, A is false while B is true. The answer is, option 1, both A and B are true statements. What are the benefits of having two eyes? Option 1, increasing the field of view, option 2, bringing a three-dimensional view, option 3, developing the concept of distance divided by size, option 4, all of the above. The answer is, option 4, all of the above. What is the ratio R divided by R when a piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts and connected in parallel? Option 1, 1 divided by 25, option 2, 1 divided by 5, option 3, 6, option 4, 25. The answer is, option 4, 25. Which of the following terms does not represent electrical power in a circuit? Option 1, I superscript 2R, option 2, IR superscript 2, option 3, 6, option 4, volt superscript 2 divided by R. The answer is, option 2, IR superscript 2. What will be the power consumed when an electric bulb rated 220 volt and 100 watts is operated on 110 volt? Option 1, 100 watts, option 2, 75 watts, option 3, 50 watts, option 4, 25 watts. The answer is, option 4, 25 watts. What is the ratio of heat produced when two identical conducting wires are connected in series versus parallel? Option 1, 1:2, option 2, 2:1, option 3, 1:4, option 4, 4:1. The answer is, option 3, 1:4. What should be the area of cross-section of a conductor with the same resistance but twice the length of another conductor? Option 1, A divided by 2, Option 2, 3 ampere divided by 2, Option 3, 2 ampere, Option 4, 3 ampere. The answer is, Option 1, A divided by 2. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to watch the complete MCQ question bank video available on my channel. Please share, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications about future videos.